Hi, welcome to the case analysis of one of the firms that used market research as one of its important tools to not only establish itself into the software market but also expand globally over the years. So, are you one of those persons who really have a big problem managing their finance and their taxes? If yes, then you ought to know about Intuit. Intuit develops and sells financial and tax solution software for customers who own small and medium sized businesses. And it has been playing a revolutionizing role in this field. So, Intuit was basically launched in 1983 by Scott Cook, who was a former Procter and Gamble employee, along with Tom Prolux, who was a Stanford University programmer. And in 1984, just after 1 year of Intuit's birth, they launched their first product and named it as Quicken. And then comes the big question, what happened after that? Did the product make a name? Did the company make a profit? Well, let's find out. Yeah, this happened. So basically, Intuit went out of business, almost went out of business, and that too twice. So clearly, the company struggled through the first few years of its launch. Now, the question that comes to our mind is that was the company able to survive it? So, in order to survive, Intuit completely changed its distribution strategy and now it started selling its software to the banks. It also ran some print advertising campaigns for the publicity of its software. And again, the same big question, and what happened? Did the company's changed distribution strategies work? Did the print advertising campaigns work? Let's find out. And boom, Quicken became the best selling finance product in the market. So, the answer to the previous question is yes, the company's strategies did work. Now, in order to understand what led to such a big change in the sales of Quicken, such a big positive change, we have to first understand that what was the company's strategy behind selling its software to banks and what market did it actually addressed which worked out so well for the company. And the reason behind that was the new strategic focus of Intuit and its great emphasis on consumer research and capturing marketing insights, which helped improve the company's stock value and the market position. So, this very well planned and very well designed market research by Intuit had two key findings. Number one, simplicity was really the key to the consumers, and the second one was that the consumers wanted an easy to use platform and not something complicated. And Scott Cook wanted the company to focus even more intently on innovation, and thus came the concept of design thinking, which incorporated extensive consumer observation and research with trial and error and ongoing product prototyping. And he also incorporated some field research methods. The very first of them was site visit, where the researchers of Intuit would visit the consumer's home or office and try to understand that what a consumer likes, what actually frustrates the consumers, and how the products could be improved upon based on this data. The second one was lab study method, wherein the consumers were actually invited to the research labs of Intuit and where they participated with the researchers to test and experiment with Intuit's new products and ideas. The third one was the remote study method, and as the word goes, neither the researchers needed to visit to the consumers, nor the consumers needed to come to the research labs. Everything was managed over the phone and over the internet. So, in its course of doing extensive consumer research, Intuit found out that the young consumers needed a mobile kind of a software which they could run from their mobiles or tabs and do not need a PC every time to run it. So, what did Intuit do? So, yeah, it developed a mobile application called the SnapTax for those young consumers, and also as its marketing tool, it provided exceptional customer service, and it also promoted positive word of mouth. So now the big question has popped up again. And what happened then? So here's what happened. The app SnapTax has been downloaded more than 1 million times. Intuit developed more and more mobile apps, and it has more than 50 mobile apps today, and it has more than 45 million customers that are using its cloud based services. So that was all about the analysis of how Intuit first launched its product Quicken, changed its marketing strategy, and popularized the product, and how it has since been revolutionizing its products according to the consumer's needs based on its marketing research. And this case study is created by Sankalp Agarwal, that is me, during an internship in marketing management under Professor Sameer Mathur, who is a marketing professor in Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. Thank you.